Antarctica food chains. As you watch this photo slide, take notes as you'll be creating a food chain of the animals from Antarctica. What is a food chain? A food chain or web shows the relationship between living things. It indicates who eats who. Arrows are used to indicate the relationship between the animals or plants. How does it work? Without the sun, there would be no food chain. The sun allows the plants to grow and the food chain begins. The sun is always at the base of a food chain. Without it, it won't happen. Producers. They are at the beginning of the food chain. A producer is always a plant. They make or produce their own food by photosynthesis. Consumers. Eat the producers and eat other consumers. All consumers are animals, are in the middle and upper ends of the food chain. Predators are at the top of the food chain. These animals have no consumers. Therefore, no other animal will eat them in this particular food chain. There are three types of consumers: carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. Carnivores are animals that eat meat in their diet. Herbivores are animals that only eat plants. This gives them energy. Omnivores are animals that eat both meat and plants. We, as humans, are omnivores. Your task. Your task is to research each of the following animals that we're going to see photos of. You need to find out about the environment they live, how they adapt and change to the cold weather, and whereabouts they fit in the food chain. This involves looking at who eats this animal or plant, and what does it eat. In order to do this, you'll need to use the internet, books, and any other forms of research that you require. You need to, by the end of this task, you need to complete and make a food chain. It is up to you how you present this, but you need to include all the animals, and the arrows need to be included to show the interrelationship between the animals. Who eats who. Good luck. In your food chain, you must also record whether the animal or plant is a producer, a consumer, or a predator. You must also state what type of consumer is it: a carnivore, a herbivore, or an omnivore. And don't forget to include the sun. Algae. Baleen whale. Penguins. The killer whale. Krill. The leopard seal. Photoplankton. Seabird. Seals. Small fish. Squid. Now it's your turn to do some research and create the food chain using the animals that you have just seen. Good luck and have fun.